Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I do weekly DIYs using majority of Dollar Tree and other affordable items. But if you're not new, hey doll, hey! So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some of my new Target finds. I have not done a haul here on my channel in quite a while, so I wanted to share with you guys some of the items that I found going into my local Target, and I am just going to jump right in. But if you are new and you love all things home decor and DIY on a budget and love this kind of content, I would appreciate if you would consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. All right, now let's jump right into the Target finds that I did pick up over the last week. Now, I only went to one Target. There's two near me, but one is a super Target, and I absolutely love going in here because I can get everything that I possibly need. But this is my first time going to the Target dollar spot in probably 2 months. I haven't been in quite some time. So I got some good items. I left a lot at the store, but I got some really good items to decorate my home, some side tables, some shelves and stuff like that. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to start off with this tray, and I found this Easter bunny head tray. I think it is so cute, and I love this wood color. I think this is so adorable for spring and Easter. I would probably just put a bunch of spring items on here, maybe like another little bunny, like a full bunny, full-size bunny, not a full-size bunny, but you know what I'm saying, the small little bunnies, and then some greenery, maybe a candle, and that's it. The next couple items I have been super obsessed with like getting, even at Dollar Tree, are these houses. I found two different styles. This one's a chalkboard one, and it comes with one piece of chalk, but this one was $3, and then this one is like this faux shiplap. If you've been around for a while, you know I like my faux shiplap look, so I really like this. This one was also $3. I mean, the DIY possibilities to these two houses are practically endless. You can do so much with them. You can even get multiple if you want and kind of like glue them together and make like a whole like house like vignette or whatever you want. But I think they're really cute, and for $3 you can't beat them, and it's really good quality. Oh, this one right here, this sign, perfect for spring. I really love this like shadow box sign. Is it a shadow box even though the shadow box part is not like shown? Anyways, I love this table decor sign. It says give yourself time to grow, and I promise that has been part of my mantra in 2022. Just giving myself grace to complete the things that I want to complete and that I need to complete, and just let it go. Just let it flow. Do all the things I can, and then leave the rest for the next day, right? We all got to give ourselves some grace. But I really like this because I love the popped out pieces right here. But what I absolutely love, my favorite part, is the trim on the outside of the sign. I think it is so pretty, and I have been really into like a green accent paint color. I don't know, it's just been giving me some vibes. I really like it. And then the next thing I found, oh wait, I didn't say how much this was. It's $3. $3. And they have actually 3 different styles there. I just picked the one that I wanted, but the other 3 were super cute. Really cute. You should go to Target and pick up a couple. But I absolutely love this next thing, and it's called a gifting crate. I have no idea why it's called a gifting crate, and it is $5, but I think that this would be adorable for some spring decor, even for like some summer decor. Painting it, maybe putting, you know, a stencil of like greenery on it or something, or just some kind of like design on it. Whatever your jam is, go for it. And just putting some greenery in here, or even like a candle, not a candle, but like a mason jar with like fairy lights in it, I think would be really cute. I really like this. I actually found something like this at the thrift store before, at the Goodwill. It was much smaller than this and was $2.99, and I did a DIY for it, but it was a long time ago, so it didn't look that great. But I promise now I'll do a whole lot better. But this is really cute for $5. Then next, going along with that like kind of plant-like look to it, They call this a plant stand, and it's metal. There are two different styles, this white one, and then there's a black one that is more of like this. It's like more wide than long, but I really, really like this. This is $5. You can definitely put some plants in here, maybe some succulents, like raise them up or whatever, so they're not covered by this part. Even just like fairy lights, like a mason jar and some greenery in here. But I really, really love this. I love the look of maybe even just like overflowing it with greenery and florals. So like if you want to do a spring one, you put some moss in there, you put some fern in there, some boxwood, and then just kind of let it explode out the sides with like some really pretty like lavender or roses or whatever your favorite color flower is. I think it would be so, so cute. Then I got another tray. This one is actually called a wooden riser. It was $3. I see these a lot at Five Below, but I thought these were really cute, and I thought $3 wasn't a bad price. You can definitely DIY this if you don't want to go to Target and spend the $3, or if you just kind of want to DIY, you can definitely like do a DIY using Dollar Tree products. But I think it's so, so cute. I think they had 3 different sizes, bigger, two more bigger sizes. I got the smaller size, and then they have black on the bottom. This has white, but I think it's really cute. You could just put a plant on here, put it on a table, or you can do like a candle mason jar with fairy lights. I'm really into that right now, and some greenery or florals or something like that. I really like this, and like I said, it was only $3. The next couple items are some of my favorite that I found at Target's Dollar Spot, and this I absolutely love. This might be a little bit overpriced for me. It was $5, but I think maybe it should have been like $3. But I think it's so, so cute. It's a Tricycle Basket. Oh my God, so adorable. I wouldn't be able to DIY this if I could. Maybe if I had like the tricycle like frame from like somewhere and then just put a little basket on it. But I really, really love this. I love that this can stay up year round, to be perfectly honest. I mean, tricycles and bikes, they're for spring. But heck, I would just change the greenery in here for every season and let it be. Why it really caught my attention is because my husband bought a little tricycle with like a metal basket from At Home a few months ago, and he put it in the front lawn because it's like for the garden, and he like grew his flowers in there and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, I could have mine in the house with fake flowers because I don't have a green thumb. So I really like this. Again, this was $5. And then I really love this, what is this called? A watering can. This is so pretty to me. I love this. This was $5 as well, and it's ceramic. It has really good weight to it. It has really good quality, and it's just adorable. This is another year-round like decor piece you can keep up for like the farmhouse style. I really, really love this. This would probably go in my sitting room because these are kind of the colors that I have in my sitting room, and just kind of change out the greenery or whatever. But you could do so much with this if you wanted to DIY it as well. Just put like a design around it or put a phrase around it, whatever you want. You could totally do it, but I really like it as is. And then I also found some more bud vases. Now, fun fact, I always get bud vases when I see them at Target's Dollar Spot because I absolutely love bud vases. I think they are a great filler for tiered trays. If you don't have a lot of like stuff to go in the tiered tray, you can definitely use those as a filler. And so that would be one of my tips for tiered trays. I don't do them a lot here on my channel, but I have tons of them in my home, so maybe I should. But get some bud vases. Fill them up in your tier trays if you have a lot of void space, empty space. Put a greenery piece in there, pick in there, and you're all set. So Target's Dollar Spot got these new ceramic ones, and I really, really love them. They usually carry a lot of the glass ones, and then you paint them the colors that you want, but I really, really love these ceramic ones. And what I absolutely love about them is the different sizes that they are. Not only are some of them short and tall, but the shape, they're just different shape. This one's circular, this one is more like oval, and this is your like regular like bud vase, like kind of pear-shaped frame or whatever, but I really love this, and this was $3, so not a bad price. $1 each. It'd be the same price, well, used to be at Dollar Tree, but $1.25 if you get each of them at Dollar Tree. But yeah, I really like these. I think they're really adorable. A great buy. Get some bud vases. And then of course I could not pass up getting some kind of craft kit at Target's Dollar Spot. I have noticed that they have come out with a lot of different like craft kit things. It's just on the back side of the aisle where they have like different wreaths you can make. I saw a lot of modeling clay stuff you could make. Now they have candles that you can make, and that is one thing I got was this candle. The scents are lavender and vanilla, and I think they're really cute. I actually got a candle maker like set for Christmas a few years ago from my parents, and it's been so fun to just like play with it and make the candles. So I had to get one of these to see how they lined up with what I had done before, but I really like it because I love the look of the stuff that you can get, and I love the look of the vase right here, you can see, right? And so it comes with all of these in here, and I love that you have the tag right here, so if you want to gift it to somebody, you can put a message right there or whatever. I think this is really cute and pretty good buy, and it was $3. So yeah, and this was not the only one. I can't remember the other scents they had, but I know that they had something other than the vanilla and lavender. So yeah, for $3, not too shabby. And then for my last couple of items, I could not leave Target's Dollar Spot without heading over to like the toy section where they have all of like the stuff for like the little kids. You guys know I could not leave Isaiah and Caleb out of my little purchases. So I bought them their own little like marker set. They're coloring pads. And what I love about these is that they are magic markers. So they'll come on the paper, but not on any of my furniture. And if you're following me on Instagram, you might have seen a couple of walls that Isaiah has colored on. He thinks that the house is his coloring book. I did not have that problem with Caleb, but Isaiah is a different story, and he'll look at you and draw. So yeah, we have to get like literally all of our walls repainted because there's blue and orange everywhere. Anyways, I thought these would be really cute. Caleb is obsessed with LeBron James and Space Jam, so why not? And then Isaiah is obsessed with Elmo and Blue's Clues, but they only had Elmo, so I got both of them that. And these are $3, I believe. Definitely you can get something like this at the Dollar Tree, but they're not magic markers. Isaiah will have the colors all over the wall and the carpet if he can. So yeah, but I thought these were really cute and a good buy, and I know that they will enjoy them. right, dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, you are enough, you are important, and you are loved by those who truly love you. So with that, be blessed, stay safe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye!